about the operations and function. So are you familiar with the four fundamental operations, or are you familiar with this sound? Do you remember the fundamental operation? Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let us proceed to the first operation, which is addition. So here is the formula. The quantity of g plus h of x equals g of x plus h of x. Example number 1, given g of x equals 10, h of x equals 5, find g plus h of x. Using the formula, substitute the given 10, which is g of x, plus 5, which is h of x equals 15. Example number 2, given g of x equals x plus 2, h of x equals negative 5, find g plus h of x. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, so we have x plus 2 plus negative 5. Positive times negative is negative 5. So x plus 2 minus 5, and then simplify x minus 3. Example number 3, given g of x equals 5x plus 2, h of x equals 3x minus 1, find h plus g of x. Substitute the given to the formula, and then combine like terms. 3x plus 5x equals 8x, and then negative 1 plus 2 equals positive 1. So our answer is 8x plus 1. Example number 4, given g of x equals x squared plus 2x, h of x equals 15x minus 5, find g plus h of x. Substitute the given to the formula, so we have, then combine like terms. So x squared, 2x plus 15x is 17x minus 5. So our answer is x squared plus 17x minus 5. Example number 5, given g of x equals 5x squared plus 2x minus 1, h of x equals 3x minus 5, find g plus h of 2. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, then combine like terms. So we have 5x squared plus 2x plus 3x is 5x, and then negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. Then substitute the value of x, which is 2, and then 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 5 times 4 plus 5 times 2 minus 6. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 5 times 2 is 10 minus 6. And then add 20 plus 10 equals 30, minus 6 equals 24. Example number 7, given g of x equals 2 third x, h of x equals 2 over 15x minus 5, find g plus h of 3. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, and then also you can substitute the value of x, which is 3. So 2 third times 3 is 2, plus 2 over 15 times 3 is 2 fifth minus 5. So you can also use a cancellation method if they have a common factor. 2 plus 2 fifth is equal to 2 and 2 fifth. To make it improper, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Then copy the denominator, which is 5. So 12 over 5 is 2.4 minus 5 is equal to negative 2.6. The next operation is subtraction. So we have the formula, the quantity of g minus h of x equals g of x minus h of x. Example number 1, given g of x equals negative 10, h of x equals 5, find g minus h of x. Okay, substitute the given to the formula. G of x is equal to negative 10 minus 5, which is our h of x. And then negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. Example number 2, given g of x equals 4x plus 2, h of x equals x minus 5, find g minus h of x. Substitute the given to the formula, and then 4x plus 2, negative times positive x, negative 5 times negative is positive 5. And then, combine like terms. So, 4x minus x equals 3x, 2 plus 5 equals 7. So, the answer is 3x plus 7. Example number 3, given g of x equals x cubed plus 2, h of x equals negative 5, find g minus h of x. Substitute the given to the formula. So we have x cubed plus 2, negative times negative 5 is positive 5. So we have x cubed plus 2 plus 5 is 7. The answer is x cubed plus 7. Example number 4, given g of x equals x squared plus 2x, h of x equals 15x minus 5, find g minus h of x. Substitute the given to the formula. So we have x squared plus 2x, negative times positive 15x is negative 15x, negative times negative 5 is positive 5. And then, x squared plus 2x minus 15x is negative 13x plus 5. So our answer is x squared minus 13x plus 5. Example number 5, given g of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 2, h of x equals 15x plus 5, find g minus h of 3. Okay, substitute the given to the formula. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus 15x minus 5. Then combine like terms. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 15x plus 2 minus 5, and then simplify x squared minus 13x minus 3, and then substitute the value of x, which is 3. So we have 3 times 3 is 9, 13 times 3 is 39, minus 3 equals negative 33. Example number 6, given g of x equals 1/2 x, h of x equals 3x minus 5, find g minus h of 2. Substitute the given to the formula. So we have 1/2 x. Negative times positive 3x is negative 3x. Negative 5 times negative is positive 5. Then substitute the value of x, which is 2. So 1/2 times 2 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6, which is negative, plus 5 is equals to 0. Before we proceed to the third operation, let us review about the law of exponent in multiplication. The third operation is multiplication. So the formula is the quantity of g times h of x equals g of x times h of x. So example number 1, given g of x equals negative 10, h of x equals 5, find g times h of x. We substitute the given to the formula. So we have negative 10 times 5 is negative 15. So remember this, guys. Example number 2, given g of x equals 4x plus 2, h of x equals 3, find g times h of x. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, then distribute 3 to 4x plus 2, and then so we have 12x plus 6. So you can also simplify your answer by finding the common factor of it. So we have 6 is the common factor, so we have 6 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. Example number 3, given g of x equals 4x, h of x equals 3x minus 4, find h times g of x. Substitute the given to the formula, then distribute 4x to the quantity of 3x minus 4. So we have 12x squared minus 16x. Example number 4, given g of x equals x squared, h of x equals 3x cubed minus 4x, find hg of x. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, then distribute x squared to 3x cubed minus 4x. So we have 3x raised to 5 minus 4x cubed. To simplify, find the common factor. So we have x cubed times the quantity of 3x squared minus 4. Example number 5, given g of x equals x minus 10, h of x equals 3x cubed, find h times g of 2. Okay, substitute the given to the formula, then distribute 3x cubed to the quantity of x minus 10. Then, substitute the value of x, which is 2. So, 2 raised to 4 is 16. And then, 16 times 3 is 48. Then, 2 raised to 3 is 8. 30 times 8 is 240. 48 minus 240 is negative 192. Example number 6, given g of x equals 4x plus 2, and then h of x equals 2x minus 3. Find h times g of 1/2. Substitute the given to the formula, and then you can also substitute the value of x, which is 1/2. So we have 2 times 1/2 is 1 minus 3, and then 4 times 1/2 is 2 plus 2. So we have 1 minus 3 is negative 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So negative 2 times 4 is equal to negative 8. And the last operation on function is division. So we have a formula of g over h of x equals g of x over h of x, such that h of x should not equal to 0. Example number 1, given g of x equals negative 100, h of x equals 5, find g over h of x. Substitute the given to the formula, so we have negative 100 divided 5 is equal to negative 20. Example number 2, given g of x equals 4x cubed y squared z raised to 4, h of x equals 2x y raised to 4, find g over h of x. We substitute the given to the formula. So in division, we need to subtract the exponent of the same variable. So we have 4 divided 2 is 2 times x raised to 3 minus 1 times y raised to 2 minus 4 times z raised to 4. Then simplify. So we have 2 times x raised to 2 times y raised to negative 2 times z raised to 4. Since y have the negative exponent of 2, we need to make it fraction for the exponent to be positive. So we have 2x squared z raised to 4 over y squared. Example number 3, given g of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 9, h of x equals x plus 3. Find g over h of x. We substitute the given to the formula, since x squared plus 6x plus 9 has a factor of x plus 3 times x plus 3. Then, cancel x plus 3. So we have x plus 3. Example number 4, given g of x equals x minus 2, h of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. Find g over h of negative 8. Substitute the given to the formula, since x squared minus 4x plus 4 has a factor of x minus 2 times x minus 2. So we need to cancel x minus 2. So we have 1 over x minus 2. Then substitute the value of x, which is negative 8. So 1 over negative 8 minus 2 is 1 over negative 10. So or negative 1 over 10. Example number 5, given g of x equals 4x minus 2, h of x equals x squared plus 4, find g over h of 2. Okay, substitute the given to the formula. Then, you can also substitute the value of x, which is 2. So, we have 4 times 2 is 8 minus 2, and then 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 4. So, we have 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. It divisible by 2. So 6 divided 2 is 3. 8 divided 2 is 4. So the answer is 3/4. Okay, let us recall the operations on function and the formulas. Okay, thank you for your watching. I I hope you learn about operations and function and it helps for your study. Feel free to comment and suggest about the topic that I talked. And please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, General Mathematics. And for more videos or infos, please click the notification bell for you to be updated about the videos I upload.